zone.
Oh, you can, do you?
Yeah, you can. Yes, you get to drive for a night.
Driving day.
It's a whole day, but you get a chance to help prepare the engine.
Oh,
You
okay.
drive for 9 miles under supervision.
Oh, right.